Have you ever wondered what would happen if you spent 5 seconds on Venus? Let's take a closer look at this enigmatic celestial body. Venus, our neighboring planet, is the second closest to the Sun. It's a world of extremes, with a diameter only slightly smaller than our Earth's. Now let's talk about Venus's rotation and revolution period. Unlike most planets, Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction. Its day lasts longer than its year, an occurrence that boggles the mind, but it's Venus's atmospheric conditions that truly set it apart. Imagine being surrounded by thick, heavy clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a greenhouse effect so intense it makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. This harsh reality may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's the everyday weather forecast for Venus. Now that we know more about Venus, let's delve into what would happen if you spent 5 seconds there. Imagine, just for a moment, that you were able to stand on the surface of Venus for 5 seconds. Now let's dive deeper into the fiery heart of Venus, a planet that is anything but welcoming. The air itself is a blanket of carbon dioxide, thick and heavy, suffocating any hope of breath. Oxygen, a luxury Venus simply does not possess. Instead, the atmosphere is so dense that it exerts a pressure 92 times greater than Earth's at sea level. That's equivalent to being a kilometer under the ocean without a pressure suit. But let's not forget about the heat. The surface of Venus sizzles at temperatures high enough to melt lead, reaching an astounding 467 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. Imagine then setting foot on this inferno. In a mere 5 seconds, the human body would experience instant incineration due to the extreme heat and pressure. The skin would blister and char, the lungs would collapse under the immense atmospheric weight, and the intense heat would cause an immediate and fatal hypothermia. In essence, Venus would rapidly transform you into a human pressure cooker. So, a 5-second journey to Venus? It's a fiery, crushing, breathless encounter with a world that couldn't be more different from our own. The conditions on Venus are truly inhospitable, making it a deadly destination even for a 5-second visit. Venus, our nearest planetary neighbor, is far from being a hospitable place. In our cosmic journey today, we've delved into the harsh realities of Venus. We've explored the extreme heat, crushing pressure, and corrosive air that would make a 5-second visit to Venus fatal for humans. It's a stark contrast to our home, Earth. Venus, while fascinating, is a reminder of how uniquely suited Earth is for supporting life. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring,